Now we'll move the project online and test it using a plugin called Duplicator. But you'll find if you're moving as I am from a local machine running Windows to a web host running Linux, that there's a problem with the database table names for eStore and eMember. We'll solve that problem in the next lesson. Go to Plugins, Add New and search for Duplicator. We're looking for Duplicator by Life in the Grid. Install and activate that. Now we get a new menu item, Duplicator. Click on that. And then click on the Create New tab. Click Next. And everything should have Good next to it. Click Build. After the build, there are two things to download. The installer, a PHP file called installer.php, save that somewhere convenient, and a zip archive. Save that in the same place. Now start up your FTP program. I use FileZilla. And connect to your web host's FTP account. I'm using a domain I own called youronlineacademy.net, which is unused, so I can use it for testing. Upload installer.php and the duplicator archive to the web directory for your domain. Before we can run the install, we need a WordPress database to connect to. Go to your web host's control panel. Yours may look a little bit different, but as long as you have a control panel and an account which allows MySQL databases, you should be able to find the equivalent places. Click on MySQL databases. Enter a name for the database. And click Create Database. Copy the database name and paste it into a text file so that we can use it in a moment. Click Go Back. Go down to Add New User. Enter a name. It can't be too long. Generate a password. And click Create User. Before you click Go Back, make sure that you copy the username and password and paste them into the text file. And then click Go Back. Go further down the page to Add User to Database. Select the user we've just created and assign that name to the online learning database. And click Add. Grant that user all privileges, click Make Changes and go back. That's done. Now in your browser, go to your domain and installer.php on the end. Select Create New. The host is localhost again. Copy and paste the database name, the username and the password from the text file. And click Test Connection. You should get 2 success messages. If by any chance you have a problem with the connection, double check the database name, the username and the password and make absolutely sure that they're correct. That the whole thing's there, that there are no spaces before or after them, exactly right, and then I'm sure it'll work. Accept the thing about warnings and click Run Deployment. Take a look at the old settings and the new settings. All should be well. We don't need a new admin account or any of the advanced options. Click Run Update. Click on Report, and there are no problems. Click on Save Permalinks. And log in and check that Permalinks is set to post name. Click to remove the duplicator files. That removes installer.php, and in FileZilla delete the zip archive. Check the site in the test browser, and something awful's happened. It says all our product IDs are invalid. What is the cause of this? Has our data not transferred properly? Let's check the courses and lessons first. Courses there. Modules are there. And the lessons are there. That's excellent, no problems. Now click on WP Affiliate, Manage Affiliates, and our one affiliate is there. Now click eStore Manage Products. No products. They all seem to have got lost. And in eMember, the same. All our members seem to have disappeared. Don't worry, the data is all there, safe and sound. This is the problem to do with table names that I mentioned at the start of this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll solve this problem very quickly with an SQL file which renames the offending tables.